Hi, this is Steve from the UK, and I just need a few moments of your time to tell you about what's happening with this fantastic new lead generation and money-making opportunity called My Lead Gen Secret. Now, I've been in this opportunity for just 18 days, and I'm going to show you exactly what's been happening in that time because it's truly explosive. So let's just nip over into my back office here to show you exactly what we've got here, and you'll then start to understand the power of this little simple opportunity. So what we've got here is a business opportunity and a lead generation platform with absolutely everything all-inclusive and built in for you. So what happens here is as soon as you sign up with this opportunity, you'll start to get 100 free leads every single day. Now, if you refer just one person to the opportunity, they'll double that and you'll start to get 200 leads per day. And those leads will be dropped into your back office here. I'm just going to click on the link here to show you those 200 leads a day going right back to when I joined this opportunity on May the 2nd. Now you can see that I'm recording this on May the 21st. And that's the start of the day. As I said, this is actually the start of my 19th day. So in total here, I've got 3,900 leads. Back on day one, when I first got started, I got 100, and then I referred my first person, and I get 200 leads per day ever since. Now you can actually click into these and browse the leads, and it'll show you exactly the information, where the lead came from, what the name of the person is, what their IP address was when they signed up, etc. It's a truly brilliant little system, and you can export those leads if you wish to do so and use them in an external platform. But what's really powerful about this is that it's got its own mailing system built in here, and all you need to do then is literally go into the mailing system tab here. You would select the leads that you wish to send an email to, and that would generally be all leads. You can see right now I've got 3,900 leads, and if I scroll down the page there, I can actually use built-in emails. So for example, this one called The Money's in the List, and I could load that into the platform there, and then it'll be actually perpetuated into the bottom here. And you can see this is the email that I just sent out about my 18th day. So it's showing you what's just gone out to these 3,900 people, and we can send one email per day, but to every single person that's in the mailing list. And as I say, they're accumulating at 200 leads per day. So it's really a fantastic system because you can do the basic maths on this. Refer one person, you'll be emailing 6,000 people per month. After 1 month, I beg your pardon, at the leads accumulating at 200 a day, 30 days, that's 6,000. You will be able to send 6,000 emails per day. So this gets very, very powerful, and it gets more powerful as time goes on. 2 months, that'll be 12,000 emails you're sending. 3 months, 18,000 emails. And when the percentages are, and the numbers are that big, even small percentage conversions will actually work and refer people not just to My Lead Gen Secrets, but to any opportunity that you might be interested in promoting. So a fantastic system here with the mailing system completely built in as well. So let's take a look at this affiliates tab, because this is what people are really getting very excited about. Everything's in here, by the way, all the promo tools, great little video tutorials, there's a fantastic help and support center, and the information, the feedback from those guys is very, very responsive. I actually asked them if they could make a little tweak to the system, and they did it literally within a few days. So phenomenal support that we've got here. Everything about the compensation plan is here. I'm just going to pull that briefly on the screen for you without getting bogged down in it. It's a very simple compensation plan. We get commissions through 5 levels, and you can see what you earn here. You earn $5 when you refer a person directly. If the person's on your second level, it's $4, then 3, then 2, then 1. Very simple compensation plan. But a powerful part of this compensation plan is that every time you refer 5 people in a calendar week, you get a $100 bonus on top of these commissions. Now don't forget, these commissions are residual. So let's come up to the actual numbers of people and what's happening in my team, because I did tell you this is exploding and that it's only the start of my 19th day. I've been in here for just 18 full days. So let me just refresh this to see if the numbers have changed. So you can see I've referred 87 people using this fantastic system, and this video here, you can use this as well if you wish to share it with your people. So 87 personals, but what's really powerful and exciting is that that's built into a team of 498 in just 18 days. Now let's take a look at the money. Let's take a look at all-time commissions. We'll click here to get the report, make sure that's up to date. And now let's just scroll through the hundreds of commissions here, right down to the very bottom so that you can see the bottom line number. And there it is, $4,398 earned in just 18 days. You can see there I've been paid $3,171. I've got $1,227 ready for me to withdraw, and a company will pay you via PayPal, Bitcoin or check. The choice is yours. So this is a fantastic little system. Now let me scroll back to the top there and just open for you let's look at last week's earnings, because today is only Tuesday. So let's just look at a full week there, the last week of earnings. Let's do a refresh, scroll down, see what my earnings were last week. $1,493. Powerful stuff here. It's called My Lead Gen Secrets, and it's a complete all-in-one marketing funnel that gets you leads every single day, and you can market the system itself with those leads, or you can market any other business opportunity that you wish to do. Now everything's in here that you need. There's video tutorials. As I say, it's laid out fantastically well, and it's very, very simple. And you can see right down the bottom of the page here, I've just sent an email to 3,900 leads. Literally did that before I started recording this video, and I've sent that. I just showed you it a moment ago. So far, one person has opened that. Nobody's clicked it. So it's a brilliant little system. Now, right below the video that you're watching of me right now, you will find a button that'll take you through so that you can get signed up to this straight away and then start marketing and promoting. Everything that you need is here. So I look forward to welcoming you on the team, making nice little earning here and residual commissions. If you like some, oh, I forgot to mention, it's only $30 to join this business opportunity, and then it's $30 per month. So a very inexpensive, affordable business opportunity that gets you the number one thing you need, which is leads. So click the link below here to find out more and get yourself set up. There's a little video there at the front of My Lead Gen Secrets, and we'll see you there on the inside.